Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you step by step how to create an email survey using Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to gather feedback from your audience, understand your customers better, or just get some quick insights, Mailchimp's survey feature is a fantastic tool, and by the end of this video, you'll have a working survey ready to share with your contacts. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. If you're brand new to Mailchimp, just take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard. It's designed to be pretty user-friendly. Now, once you're in, we're going to look for the Campaigns section. Think of campaigns like big folders where all your outgoing messages and projects live. Click on Campaigns to start. From here, you'll see an option to create something new. Simply click on Create, it usually stands out, and this is where all the magic happens for building emails, landing pages, and yes, surveys. Now look for the Survey option when prompted. Selecting this tells Mailchimp that you want to collect feedback instead of just sending a regular email or newsletter. You'll notice Mailchimp offers some sample templates to get you started. Templates are great because they give you a head start, almost like having a blueprint so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Go ahead and pick a template that fits the kind of survey you want to create. For example, you might see a customer satisfaction template or one for event feedback. Choose the one that matches your needs best, but don't stress about this part, you can always customize later. Once you've selected your template, click Next or begin to start editing. Now this is where you start shaping your survey. You'll move into the design area, which Mailchimp keeps pretty visual and straightforward. Take a minute to get comfy with the layout here. At this stage, you can click on Continue Design. This is your chance to make the survey look and sound just right. Change the colors to match your brand, tweak the fonts, and rewrite any default questions so they fit your actual goals. If you want to add more questions, let's say you need a few multiple choice options or maybe a spot for open-ended feedback, you absolutely can. There's usually a button or option to add question. Click through and you'll see a variety of question types to choose from. Think about what you really need to know. For example, if you're looking for detailed feedback, open-ended questions can draw out longer responses. If you want quick stats or ratings, go for multiple choice or a scale. And remember, don't overload your audience. A shorter, focused survey tends to get more responses. If at any point you need to step away, or if you want to share the survey with a team member for feedback, you don't have to finish everything right now. Mailchimp gives you the option to save your progress and come back later. Just look for something like Finish Later or Save and Exit. It's totally normal to want to review your questions or design before sending it out, so take your time with this part. And that's it, you've just created an email survey in Mailchimp. Once you're ready, you'll be able to send this survey out via email and start collecting those valuable responses. Thank you all for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. See you in the next video.